We made it to the Jami Masijd, one of the best temples of the trip. We're here at the Ram Riders Resort, staying in these cool bungalows for one night, then taking a tour of the Wild Ass Sanctuary tomorrow and visiting some local villages. We only saw a couple of wild asses from pretty far away, but we had a fun time doing a photo shoot with the Jeeps. We're here at the Statue of Unity, and this is twice as big as the Statue of Liberty. Right here along the river, really cool view. So let's go check it out close up. Made it up to the Statue of Unity. This thing's pretty big. So that's the viewing deck. It's about halfway up. You see the second button on his shirt from there. So we're pretty high up here, and it's not too crowded. What a fun time we had these past few days, but the fun continues in my next video where we finally get to see the Garba festival with over 40,000 people dancing. Simply amazing.